Sri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 3, OV 100. स्नेहयुक्त कार्पासवाती भेटू जाता दीपक ज्योती स्वयं पावे दिव्य दीप्ती तैसीची गती संतपदी. Just as a wick soaked in oil when joined to a flame of light becomes itself a bright light, in the same way a person reaches the status of a sage at the feet of the sage. Allah Malik Chaitanya Ghana या वीण चित्ता नाही चिंतन शांत निरपेक्ष समदर्शन तयाचे मी पण तैकैचे. He who thinks of nothing but Allah Malik, the Supreme Being, and the pure consciousness, he has peace, has no desires, and looks upon all with an equal eye. How can he have a supreme identity from the Supreme Being? Nirmamatva nirhankruti, nirdvandvatva nishparigraha sthiti, या ही चार गुणांची जैवस्ती मी पण स्थिती तैकैची. Where there is not the awareness of oneself, where there is no ego, where there is absence of strife or quarrel, that is twofold nature of the world, where there is no wish for worldly possessions, where these four virtues reside, can there exist the ego? तात्पर्य हे आठही गुण साई अंगी असता संपूर्ण मी पणासी तै कैचे स्थान सेवू मी पण तै कैसे. Summing up, in Sai's nature, these 8 virtues exist in their complete form. Where is the place then for the ego? How can I then nurse such egotism? विश्वी भरले जयाचे मी पण तयाचाची अंश माझेही मी पण करावे साईपदी समर्पण हीच संपूर्ण मम सेवा. He, whose self is pervading in the universe, I am part and parcel of him. Surrender at the feet of Sai. This will mean my service. माझी सेवा माझे भजन अनन्यपणे मजसी शरण तो होय मद्रूप जाण भगवंत वचन भागवती. To serve me and to sing my praises, to surrender to me completely, will lead to union with me. So says Krishna in the Bhagavad. कीटकी सही भ्रमर ध्यान तेणे ती लाधे भ्रमरपण शिष्य ही करिता निज गुरु भजन निज गुरु समान तो होय. Just as the worm, by constantly thinking of the bee, itself becomes the bee, in the same way, when a disciple constantly contemplates upon his guru, he becomes similar to his guru. समान शब्दे जे वेगळेपण तेही नसाहे गुरु एक क्षण गुरुत्व नव्हे शिष्यावीण शिष्यत्वा अभिन्न गुरुपण. By using the word similar, still a distinction remains. Even that is not tolerated by the Guru, even for a moment, because Guru's existence is not possible without the disciple, and the disciple is not separate from the Guru. असो पूजा जयाची आज्ञा पिली तो मी कोण ही व्याख्या केली पुष्टीकरणार्थ गोष्ट आठवली ओघासी आली ती कथितो. So it was, the one whom I was ordered to worship, he explained who he was, In support of what I have been saying, I am reminded of an incident which I will relate now. शिर्डीसी आला एक रोहिला, तोही बाबांचे गुणासी मोहिला. तेथेची बहुत दिन राहिला, प्रेमे वाहिला बाबांसी. A Rohila, that is Pathan, came to Shirdi and was attracted by Baba's virtues. He stayed there for a long time and lovingly devoted himself to Baba. शरीरे पुष्ट जैसा हेला, स्वैरवर्ती न जुमानी कोणाला. फक्त कफनी पाय घोळ अंगाला, येऊनी राहिला मशिदीत. He was hefty like a male buffalo. He was self-willed and cared for no one. He wore only a kafni up to his ankles and came and lived in the masjid.